Oh, United 2003. Kansas takeoff clearance.
We're boarding takeoff, United 2003.
Negative, hold, Airplane 1943, hold. Airplane 1943, hold.
Stop. 264, stop. Stop, we're 2937, stop.
We stopped, we were cleared to cross runway 4.
Fire and terror on the runway in Tokyo as a fully loaded Japan Airlines passenger plane arriving on a domestic flight crashed into a smaller Japanese Coast Guard plane.
So the problem that we're trying to solve here is these incidents that will, that happen all over the world where we've got an incursion on the runway or maybe an excursion on the runway where somebody's not using the correct surface, so they might be trying to take off or land on a taxiway instead of the runway. That we have a few different technologies to help out with that. Primarily they're software additions to our enhanced ground proximity warning system. So they provide alerts within the cockpit.
If you are given a clearance to take off and there's aircraft crossing on your runway, the system will alert to that. So it uses the GPS position of the other aircraft or the ADS-B in position, and it calculates your trajectory with an intruder aircraft. And within 30 seconds, if it detects that you are on a collision course, it's going to provide a direct alert to the pilot saying, traffic on runway.
Traffic on runway.
It's easy to integrate new technology in a new aircraft or what we call forward fit, but providing a solution for the retrofit market can be a challenge. So we are, as a company, Honeywell, are transitioning this from research project to offering for retrofit as well as for forward fit aircraft as well. We're looking at a time frame of 12 to 18 months where this would be available for aircraft for a retrofit solution. It's a software upgrade to the eGPWS box, and then a couple twisted wires that have the traffic information from the traffic computer to eGPWS. So it would be part of a regular maintenance upgrade to include this technology.